As we age, our face begins to show wrinkles, blemishes, and other age-related changes that affect our beauty. But don't worry, because with the help of makeup, you can reduce the effects of your age and maintain your beauty. Let's find out how. Foundation selection. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. Women with dry skin should use a foundation with moisturizer. Women with oily skin should choose an oil-free foundation. Use of concealer. Use concealer to hide dark under-eye circles, blemishes, and wrinkles. The color of the concealer should be 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Use of powder. Use powder to set foundation and concealer. Use loose powder to make the skin look natural. Use of blusher. Use blusher to add color to your face. Avoid peachy blushers and opt for a soft pink or coral shade. Use of eyeshadow. Use eyeshadow to highlight the eyes. Choose soft colors such as beige, pink, and brown. Use a dark color on the outer corner of the eyes. Use of liner. Use liner to enhance the shape of the eyes. Use a thin liner. If you have small eyes, do not use the liner on the inner corner. Use of mascara. Use mascara to make lashes look longer and thicker. Choose waterproof mascara. Lip makeup. Use lip balm to keep lips soft. Choose a lipstick that matches your lip color. If you have thin lips, use a light-colored lipstick. Tips: don't overdo makeup. Use good quality products. Take care of your skin. Use makeup remover to remove makeup. Remember that the purpose of makeup is to enhance your beauty, not hide it. So, opt for natural-looking makeup. Do you want to know about a special makeup tip or technique?